Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy and sell stocks using Yahoo Finance. First, understand that Yahoo Finance serves as a powerful hub for financial information, offering real-time data and news. While it provides excellent tools for research and portfolio tracking, it does not directly execute trades. Instead, it integrates with your existing brokerage account, allowing you to manage and place orders through its interface. This integration streamlines your investment process. To begin trading, you must first link your existing brokerage account to Yahoo Finance. Head over to the My Portfolio section, usually found in the navigation menu. Look for an option to Link Brokerage Account or similar. You will then select your specific brokerage firm from a comprehensive list. Follow the secure prompts to log in using your brokerage credentials, granting Yahoo Finance permission to display and facilitate trades. This connection is essential. Once your brokerage is linked, placing a buy order is straightforward. Use the search bar at the top to find the stock you wish to purchase by entering its ticker symbol, for example, Apple for Apple. On the stock's quote page, you will see a Trade or Buy button, which will direct you to your brokerage's trading interface within Yahoo Finance. Here, specify the number of shares you want and select your preferred order type, such as a market or limit order. Selling stocks follows a very similar process. Navigate to your linked portfolio within Yahoo Finance, where you can see all your current holdings. Select the stock you intend to sell, and you will find a Sell option. Just like buying, you will specify the number of shares you wish to sell and choose an order type, such as a market or limit order. Remember to regularly monitor your portfolio's performance and stay informed with the latest market news provided by Yahoo Finance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.